I run my entire $5 million agency off of Notion, and I've helped over 600 other agencies install this exact template that took me from doing $0 to over $400,000 per month in my business. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what my Notion template has and how you can use this in your agency. Let's get into it. All right, so when you open up Notion, this is basically the command center that you see. It is the homepage that everything lives in. A lot of people have 20 different softwares for 20 different things. They have Google Drive, they have Google Sheets, they're organizing stuff in Slack, they're using Notes, they're using this software. The problem with that is things are chaotic and everything is everywhere. When you log into Notion, everything is centralized and it is our source of truth. This is the dashboard that basically all of the agencies log into to pretty much be their command center. So let's break this template down and show you exactly what's included. So one of the biggest issues that I hear from people when it comes to scaling their agency is, it's hard to scale because things are getting dropped. I'm unable to manage all of the projects and tasks. How am I going to make sure that my team is getting stuff done so I can focus on actual growth? And the problem with that is they become the bottleneck in their business and they're never able to scale beyond themselves because they're trying all these different tools and they don't have an efficient system to actually plug people into to actually scale. So what we built out was a full fulfillment system. So anytime we get a new project, all we need to do is add it to this project board and it automatically creates tasks for that specific project. Then what we're able to do from that is it will assign the tasks to everybody that needs to be responsible for what pillar of the task that it is. So for example, a video editor, well, they're going to be notified when a piece of content that's assigned to them is ready to edit, okay? Client success, let's talk about quality control. In that case, they would need to be reviewing the content or sending it to the client. And all of this is literally just in one system. And we have a board for every person's view so that there is no task that gets missed and the people that are responsible for the tasks as it pertains to your offer can ultimately execute with ease. All right, let's talk about another thing. So one of the problems that I used to go through all the time was we'd have a really disorganized Google Drive and it'd be super, super difficult to find everything about that client. Where do I get the onboarding? Where do I find the passwords? Where do I get access to this? Where do I see what payments the client has made? And it was just a nightmare for me to find stuff. So that's why we built the Client OS, which is basically a client portal. And this operates internally as well as externally. So what we can do is we can track things like the start date and end date. We can see how many wins we've gotten for that client. And then as we scroll down, we actually built a client portal that we can actually share with the clients, meaning they can approve content directly through here. If you're running ads, they can see the results of the ads that you're able to generate for them. Also scrolling down, we can see all the payments from the clients, the projects that we're working on, the offer, the onboarding form, the contact info. Meeting templates are automatically embedded inside of here so that we can be on track and ultimately be able to scale our agency with ease. Simplicity wins, complexity will fail, especially disorganization will fail big time. We also have an SOP library. So when I do hire somebody, I can just direct them to the SOP library and I'm no longer the bottleneck. All they need to do is they can just open up the SOP and they can see everything lined out there. So I don't need to answer every single question. The SOPs will do the work for me. And guys, you're probably watching this and you're like, dude, this is really cool, Austin, and you're talking about this and you're really talking this thing up. But how do I get what you're just showing me? Are you just showing me to freaking rub it in? No, guys, you guys can click the link down below in the description and get access to this. And if you don't want to do it yourself, we do have an option to install this for you. So after you click through and fill out the form, you'll be redirected to book a call with us. And I would suggest doing that if this seems super, super overwhelming and you actually do want to scale to $100,000 plus per month inside of your agency, because you're going to need something like this. Okay, let's get back into it. Not only do we have the fulfillment and the client success stuff really dialed inside of here, but also all of the sales stuff. That means sales tracking, all of the sales call tracking, lead tracking, all can be factored in, all can be managed directly in Notion. Again, guys, this is our single source of truth in our business, and this is where we're making decisions. So what we're able to do is we're able to see all of our leads and we can work them in a Kanban style way, which makes it really easy for us, especially if we're going to hire somebody to manage this at some point. Also, from a sales perspective, we can automate all of our sales calls to land on this page. So anytime somebody books a call, they're going to show up here and their application is going to show up, and everything is going to be directly inside of Notion so that I can manage everything and see the data and result of the call in literally just one area. These are just a few highlights of the Notion board. Not only do we have the project management, the sales, the client success stuff, but we have things like hiring operating system, which manages our full pipeline of hiring people. We have a financial OS, which is basically managing all of our accounts receivable. We have hundreds of databases inside of our Notion board that we can use to run our business smoothly. This was literally years of deep focus work, iteration, a lot of revenue, a lot of clients to come up with this operating system. And if you really want to scale to 50, over 100, even 200 plus $1,000 a month, the operating system needs to be your source of truth. And this is what's going to actually give you the data and numbers to actually scale your agency. Because without this, you are flying blind and you're guessing in your business, which is not what we want to be doing if we want to hit those numbers. So again, if you want this template, you can click the link down below and you can get access to it. Or if you want our team to install this and customize it for your business, then click the link down below and book a call with our team, and we can see if we can actually help you out with that. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.